Hey fam, Marvel Toy Talk here doing an Infinity Killmonger Kitbash. I wanted to recreate the Infinity Killmonger from the What If series. So I started with the Ultron body and paired it with the Killmonger head. It seemed like an obvious pairing at the time, and I even decided to put the Zombie Hunter cape on him to match the concept art for the Funko that's coming out. This is what it looks like. Unfortunately here the proportions are all off, the head is too small, the body's massive, so we'll try again. This time we're going to use the torso from Odin, paired with a classic comic book looking Ultron from the Villain Wave. The cape and the torso from this Odin looks a lot like the Funko concept. So I thought to pair him as the base and pair him with the comic book accurate Ultron. And finally to top it off I was going to use the Killmonger head again. I figured that all these figures are about the same height and size, so let's give it a shot. Once again, taking Killmonger's head and transplanting that onto Odin's body. Then I realized a problem. First, the ball joint in Odin's neck is just a bit too big, and it's also the wrong color. So I decided to keep it simple and instead just put Killmonger's head on Ultron's body. What do you think? Comment below on what you think I should kitbash next.